This is a Holden VE ute, replacing the hood liner, and just going through what other people have done, but probably in more detail. Firstly, I removed the light from the center, and on the front edge there's two retainer clips. It's best to find them at the front, roughly where the light is. Gently pull down on probably about here, just gently on one side, and you'll see it starting to come, and then try and probably push that in on the other side too. Basically have the front come down first, and then it'll pop out that way. Then you've got a wiring harness there, it unclips, plug and play type thing, and then a black one there. Take them off, and then your sun visor up top, the clip, they actually have a pin. There's a slide pin here, and I'll just pull it out quickly. So that's it there, and this slides inside. So you've got to get a on the front here, get a little screwdriver or very fine nail maybe, and you've got to grip this little plastic lug and slide it out, and then the whole thing will drop off. Okay, and then on the side here, your pillow, your A-pillar, you got these caps here. Sorry about the lighting. And you've got to get a screwdriver underneath that and just pop it off. Then you've got a screw in behind. You've got to take that out. What I found, I was using a it's an Allen key. It's about a number 4, and what I've done is cut an old Allen key. I think it's about a 4mm, 5mm. Cut the elbow off the Allen key and put it into a screwdriver. That battery drill, been a long day. Okay, so then the rubber seal, that's got to come off as well. The back up top, another one of those clips, just gently with a screwdriver you can pull that off. It comes out, and then there's another Allen key screw in behind there, which some videos aren't showing at all. And this plastic cover here is holding the top, as well as your rubber of course, and this plastic shroud here is what's holding it. Sun visor up top. There's also, where was it? Just one screw there, and it comes out on an angle. Pull it out gently, your sun visor, and that's where I'm up to at the moment. Got to go to the other side and do that, but I just thought, well, it's half up. Oh, it's pretty hard. Not the best footage, but yeah. So there's a cover there, screw in behind. There's the cover I've just pulled off, and there's a screw there. Taking the visor off that side. So that's the clips, and they just sit back on, and that plastic pin slides out forward, and the whole thing drops down. And yeah, so I'll go across the other side and continue, and then that should release the whole panel to come down. Okay, hopefully that helps, and might do a follow-up.